The grass is green, the sky is blue, and for £5.97, this Hitachi is for you. Okay, get your calculator out. Let me go through these sums real fast. 13,000 kgs of a machine, rented out for 6 to 7 days of a week. £200 to £250 a day. That works out a lot of money for just £5.97. That rental option is only if you don't know how to drive it. But say you do know how to drive it, you're probably talking about 60 to 70 to £80 an hour. You can sit at home for the rest of your days for just £5.97. So get across onto the website, get your tickets bought, and scoop up this amazing prize. LuckyDayCompetitions.com.